Beautiful brew house here. It's been a hot day, so I think I'm going to try. Michelle's just getting a little snapshot of the beer being poured. I'm going for a Passionfruit. I know, girly beer, but it's light. It's a hot summer day. It's just a very light beer, isn't it, Michelle?
Very light.
Really, really fruity. Oh, it's very sweet as well. Oh, wow. Chocolate. Yeah, it's chocolate. Oh, I like cocoa, huh? Oh, chocolate, dark chocolate. Interesting, Michelle. I was like, whoa. I mean, I've never tasted a stout before, but I suspect they're just drinking chocolate, cocoa or something. Oh, that's so chocolate.
6% apparently.
Yeah, but I've never had. That's not good. Sorry, that's not good. That's too much. That's too much chocolate.
So which one's better, passion fruit or chocolate?
They're both not great. I mean, this one is like a sort of shandy. Hello. This one's like a shandy, very sweet, really sweet, like it's full of lemonade. And this one is like, it's like Cadbury's drinking chocolate with some stout in it. Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh. No, I'm glad I didn't order a pint of that. I like a stout. It's one of my favourite beers, but no, too much. Oh, it makes that one taste even sweeter. We had a little problem with our Alipay. Banks, what are they like? But the people are lovely. Took us a little while to sort the bank out. And then the chef came out to have a chat with us. I think if we stayed a bit longer, we might have got another drink, but we've got to get going. Chill. It's fresh and really hot. Beautiful. So that was really cool. We just watched the guy making these fresh bread. It's super hot. This is a sesame bread. We're just opposite the Qingdao railway station. Just having a little walk, and it's nice, isn't it, Michelle?
It's lovely.
Very plain, but really delicious. I like the look of this. But no idea what it is. Is it a taxi? Is it one of these autonomous vehicles? You look like my Uncle Clive. bullet train journey today, Michelle. Bye bye, everyone. Can I get a video? Bye bye, Judy. Bye bye. So we're at Qingdao station. We're about to take the bullet train up to Qufu, the birthplace of Confucius. And yeah, we're going to take you along. A little bit of a dramatic taxi drive down here, but all good. So here's the entrance, and I believe that they do a bit of a security scan of your bags here. There's the guy.
That's you.
That's me, is it?
Thank you.
Thank you. Beautiful. Okay,
I'm hoping that's the only bit of taking bags off.
so there's some shops. You can get some bits. Down again.
Okay, so it's gate 3, platform 4.
高692
Jujua. So this is the main Qingdao railway station, and actually you can get the scale of these chandeliers and the scale of the hall. It's huge. And there's another outdoor section with more shops by the looks of it. So plenty of places to get food and drink. And right down the other end there's a McDonald's. Possibly one of the smallest McDonald's I've ever seen. So there you have it. That is the inside of the train terminal at Qingdao. Now people are starting to queue up. See, one person queues, everybody starts to queue. So Michelle and I have decided to go for it as well. Okay, we got asked to move. Oh, back upstairs. So we're carriage 7, Michelle.
Carriage 7.
Seats number
13, C and D, both aisles.
Yeah, we couldn't get a window seat. We're hoping we can swap out. But here's the first glance at our bullet train. What I might do is we'll get on. There's carriage 7.
They knew we didn't want to walk far.
Right there. Beautiful. Here is our train. The seats are a combination of 3 and 2. Hello. 你好.
列车前方到站，济南车站。The train will arrive at Jinan railway station. Dangerous items are not allowed on board, and put your luggage safely on the luggage rack. Please do not touch the devices with red marks so as to avoid any accident. 列车前方到站。
So she's just packing away, or making sure the straps and things aren't hanging down. So I've worked out how you can order food. I don't think I can, because you have to have this railway 120, I think it's called 12306. I don't know if you can see it there. You have to open that app up, put in your train number and your departure destination and your arrival destination, because I think you can order food to be delivered from like McDonald's and things in the actual train stations themselves. So here I put in the destination, arrival and destination, and then it'll open up a menu, and I think this third one along just here is from within the train operator. You have to use translate. Once that opens up a list of food options, I think later on in the app you're going to have to put in your seat number and just order, and they'll bring it down to your seat. I think I might try and give it a go just to see if it works. Okay, so minimum order 15 yuan. Let's see if I can take it the next step. Okay, we went right the way through with the order. Placed it, but it kept coming up with something about the telephone number. So I put in my Australian telephone number and it wouldn't take it. The girl kindly tried to help me do the order. So it seems if you haven't got a Chinese SIM, we have an eSIM, but it hasn't got a number. You're going to need to register your app with your Chinese phone number. It has to be a number in China. There's no option to do an overseas number. So yeah, we wanted to test it. The girl said she's going to bring it to me anyway. So we'll see how that goes. Alipay?
Okay.
So I wanted orange juice. We got like grape and apple, which is fine. It was only a test, right? And she came so quickly. And we got these little cheese biscuits. So, lesson learned. I'm going to need to get, if we're going to do a lot more of this in China, which we may not be doing anyway, I'd need to get that SIM card. The eSIM works, but you've got to remember when you get an eSIM, you don't often get a phone number for, you know, people to contact. You can still use WeChat, you can still use Alipay, WePay, you can use all the apps, but some of the more state-run apps, you've got to register. So yeah, a bit of a pain. I've moved seats so I can get a bit of a view for you. Some little cheese biscuits. That's really strange. Let's try the juice. Oh, that's quite nice. It's actually probably nicer than orange juice. Lesson learned. Get a telephone number. It's very easy. Yeah, it's about 50 yuan. You can go into China Unicom, get a SIM. We didn't get one because the local, earlier in one of the videos, you might have noticed I went to a China Unicom store and they actually wouldn't sell me a SIM. You have to go to a particular store, and that was another 10 k's, and we were walking, so I didn't get it. Very strange biscuits. Sort of sweet cheese. Now, I noticed through the camera it looks quite washed out here. It's actually a mist. It's that bright, but there's no detail in the sky at all, even for me.
The train has arrived at Qfu railway station.
We're going to go down to the front of the train, check it out. There's one just gone through, and that's our one. There she goes. Everything's linked to the passport, is it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And that's it. That's how to travel on train in China. And so I want to get a picture of Qufu station before we leave it, in case I don't get a chance again. Probably will. The weather's crap. I think we're about 12, 13, 14 k's. We're a bit wet. It's a bit rainy. Qufu is very wet, and it was a bit tricky getting a ride, but we got something. And now we're staying in it's a hostel hotel. It's Michelle's fault if it's no good. She chose this one, but had good reviews, and we've kind of gone. The last place actually was a hostel, although we had a hotel room, and we've booked the highest level of a room they have, so I'm hoping it's going to be good. You know, you never can tell. Is that good? Edit that so I look a lot better, will you? You need longer legs for that. What's through the round door? If Michelle's even too hot, it's too hot. But I've ordered on the Alipay app a little treat for you down at the exit gate.